Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have a Sephora haul update for you guys. I'll link the Sephora haul that this went to below for you guys just in case you're curious to when I purchased everything and if I got sales or anything like that. So I'm going to get into this. This is something that I've had for a couple weeks here sitting and I've been trying them out to give you guys my final thoughts and opinions on this haul, whether or not I feel like I wasted my money. That's what I'd like to know sometimes when I go purchase things from Sephora or even Ulta. Did I waste my money? Should I have just taken these things back, or are they actually really good? So the first thing we're going to talk about is this cleanser. This is by StriVectin. This is the Multi-Action Moisture Matrix Melting Cleanser. So when I first got this, I thought for sure it was going to be kind of like the butters, like the Kapari butter, the one that melts the makeup off and everything. And it is similar. But this one here works a little bit differently. So when you use this one, I feel like it does a good job of helping to get everything off. It's not super great with eye makeup. I feel like I struggle with getting my eye makeup off when I use this, but it does work in a similar fashion. The other thing that this one does is after you've done the cleansing with the oil part to it, it will kind of suds up a little bit once you add a little bit of water to it. So that part to me is very, very cool. So it's like an all-in-one cleanser. So it melts and then it bubbles up and cleanses as well. So I do like that aspect, but I don't like that it takes a little bit of effort, a little bit of elbow grease in order to get the makeup off around your eye. So that for me is kind of like a fail in my opinion, but I will continue to use it and use it up. Will I purchase it again? No, I will not repurchase this, but I will continue to use it up. So it's nice. It's just not my favorite. So I think if you were looking for something that maybe you don't wear a lot of eye makeup, then it might work better for you. Or if you're someone who wears a lot of eye makeup, I would definitely steer clear because it's not going to remove it very easily. The next thing is a perfume. So this is the WIldFox Perfume and this is the Eau de Parfum. This is the 1.7 ounce container. So I am a huge perfume fanatic, as you guys probably already know on my channel. I love different perfumes. I love the different scents that they all have. I love the memories that they can evoke. So if you use a perfume during a special time during your life, then that perfume will evoke special memories. So far I haven't really got any special memories with this one to say so far, but it does smell very, very good. It's like almost like a powdery scent, but it's not super powdery. It's like a little bit of baby powder, a little bit of musk. I don't know. It's just a really beautiful scent. To me, it's more of a fall scent though, like a fall winter scent. So it's not one that I'm probably going to be using a lot this summer. So I'm probably going to put this on the back burner until like fall winter, because I know for sure at that point I will use it a lot because it just smells very like crisp, not crisp, warm noted. So I think it's a more warmer perfume for like fall and winter. So I really do like it. It's just not something that I think I'm going to use a lot this summer. The next thing is from Natasha Denona. So as we all know, Natasha Denona is quite pricey. So you want to absolutely love anything you get from her because it's pricey and you're spending a lot of money on it. So this is the Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. I can speak, I promise. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's very beautiful. Her packaging is usually, I don't think it's usually beautiful. I just think her packaging is very, I don't know, like sturdy and just unique looking. So here's what it looks like on the inside. You are getting some cream products as well as some regular like some powder products, but the powder products are not like a typical powder products because they're almost like a gelée formula. So they're a little bit more smoother. They feel a little bit like silky, a little bit jelly, like almost kind of like a ColourPop shadow. So these are all very, very beautiful. They're very pigmented. Like the blushes down here are super, super pigmented. I really like this palette. It's something very unusual that I don't have anything like this in my collection. So I'm very happy to have this. So we'll be staying. I really do enjoy it. Will I purchase more of these? Probably not, because it's not my favorite thing that I've ever tried for blushes, but I do like it because it's different. I'm someone who likes things that are different. I don't like to try to buy the same thing over and over and over. I want to try things that are different. And this is definitely something very different. So I do enjoy it. But like I said, I don't think it's going to be something that I would purchase more of. So let me show you swatches of everything. So we have Glow right here. And then we have, this is blush. So Glow is here and blush right here. And these are the cream ones. So here's blush. As you guys can tell, it is very, very pigmented. And then Glow is here. Glow is not coming off very well on my finger for some reason. Let's try that again. Glow. My fingers are very cold for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm freezing today. So here's what Glow looks like. So again, it's beautiful, but it's a cream formula. Those are cream. So if you're someone who does not like cream formulas, you're not going to like those either. So you definitely are going to want to like cream formulas because these are going to need to be put on a different way than what other blushes are. Like if it's a powder blush, you can put those over top of your makeup and everything. These you're going to want to put on before you put any other powder products onto your skin. Then we have the Glow Extreme. So here's Glow Extreme. Glow Extreme is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Look at that. It is gorgeous. That is so, so pretty. And then the last one is over here, and this is your Duo Glow. This reminds me of like a NARS product for some reason. I don't know why, but it reminds me of NARS Orgasm. It's what it reminds me of, the color and everything. It's got like that peachy golden type of shade to it, so it's beautiful. So technically, really, this is your only blush, and this can be like a blush topper. So if you wanted to like tone it down some, that's definitely going to help to tone it down, but it's also going to make your cheeks look nice and shiny, almost like a brioche bun. So if you don't like brioche bun looking cheeks, you may not like this. So I don't know if this is something that everybody's going to be interested in. For me, like I said, I like it because it's an unusual product in my collection. So I will keep it, but I won't purchase more just because I'm not a huge fan of cream products, and I don't know why I didn't realize that it was a cream product when I first purchased it, but it's definitely a cream product. So the next thing is the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Lip Shine. These are all spectacular. If you guys get any of these deals for the Sephora Give Me Some Nude Lips, Give Me Some whatever they are, they're all really, really good deals because you typically get at least one full-size product in here, and you pay $28 for these little, they used to come in a box. Now they're doing packaging, which I'm thinking they're just trying to save on packaging, which is really good of Sephora. Let me show you all the colors you get here. So you are getting, let me pull them out here. You're getting all of these things. So you're getting a lot, it's not really colors, you're just getting a lot of gloss. So we're getting a Tarte one. This is the Tarte H2O gloss, and this is in the shade Sundry? I think that's what it's called. So here's what it looks like. It's just a nice creamy type of gloss. So it has a little bit of color to it, but not much. So it's like peachy, but mostly it's just going to give your lips a lot of shine. This is a little bit sticky, but once you put it on, it doesn't like feel sticky. Like your lips don't feel like, so your lips aren't going to feel kind of like a glue trap, like a fly trap. So they're not going to feel bad or anything, but it is a little bit sticky. So just be wary, that one is a little bit stickier. Then the next one is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This one, if you guys do not know, it is actually made with some sort of jalapeno pepper. That's actually what gives your lips the plumpness, because it's kind of like irritating your lips, so it plumps them up. I like this, but this is not something that I would use every day. I don't know if it would be good for you to use it every day. I do like using it like on date nights and things like that. It just gives your lips a little bit of a plumpness. It doesn't look like a lip like you got like Botox or anything like that. It just gives them a little bit more plumpness to them. Then we have this one here. This is by, who is this by? This is by YSL. This is the Volupte Liquid Color Balm. This is really nice. I love anything from YSL, to be honest with you, though. I really think their stuff is pretty. This definitely has a little bit of color to it, but it feels so silky smooth and cold. It's like a very cold feeling on your lips. I love this one. This one is very beautiful. This is going on my wish list to purchase a full size in. Then we have a Fresh Sugar Therapy. These are all very, very nice. If you have never tried any of these, they have different scents to them. You can get rose, you can get lemon. I think this one is lemon. I'm pretty sure this was like lemon scented. So yeah, it's got a little bit of a lemon scent to it. Typically their fresh products have a little bit of a lemon scent to them, and they're very nice. I didn't use this one in particular because I already have a ton of these open, and I'm actually going to pass this along to somebody else so they can try it out, just in case they've never tried the fresh products before. But I do love these. They're very nice. And they last a good amount of time because they don't go bad very quickly, unlike some of the more natural type of products like that. They did go bad pretty quick. So, but they will eventually go bad, so you want to get through those. That's why I don't want to open that one. I'll pass it along to somebody else. And then we have two full-size products in here. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Venus Lip Gloss. This is gorgeous, guys. This has got a lot of sparkle into it, so if you like the sparkle on your lips, you're going to love this. There's what it looks like. See how pretty that is? That is absolutely gorgeous. Let's put a little bit on my lips. Look how pretty. That is really pretty. And it's not sticky whatsoever. It is not sticky at all. I love the way it feels on my lips. It feels like, honestly, just like a chapstick. So it's not sticky. It doesn't like feel tacky or like, I don't know, annoying. Basically, it's just a really good product. Then the last one is the Incredible Jelly Shot. These are so cool because it's like it looks like a jelly lipstick, and then there's like a product inside of them. So this one has like a little flower inside of here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little flower. They're really cool about that, but anything else, honestly, I don't think they're that special. I'm like, they're cool, but they're not special. So if you know what I mean, like they're special because they look cool, but the way they feel on your lips, it feels basically like a chapstick. It doesn't feel like anything special. It doesn't make my lips look any better. I won't purchase any of these. I know that. So I'll use this one and be happy with that. Is all that I need. Then I have some products here by Pat McGrath. So we got a Pat McGrath little product. This is the Mini Lust Gloss, and this is the Skin Show Warm first edition. So these are very, very nice. Anything from Pat McGrath is awesome in my opinion. However, they are a little bit more pricey. These are $25, I think, for 3 of them. So which is not terrible, but it's not great either. They do look really nice on the lips. They look a little bit patchy when you swatch them, but when you put them on your lips, they are not patchy. They smell really, really good. I did have a problem with the logo coming off on one of them, but I was able to push it back down and it was fine. So then that was the shade Lust. So here's Lust. Lust is more of the deeper shade. And then we have the shade, oh wait, no, that was not Lust. They're all Lust. That is Flesh. So Flesh was the deeper shade. And then we have Bronze Temptation. So Bronze Temptation is this one. So let me swatch that for you. They're all very nice. I'm not sure that I would honestly purchase a full size anything for Pat McGrath for like their lip products, just because I have a ton of lip products. If there was something that I knew that I would use every day, then I would purchase it just because it's a little bit more on the expensive side. Then we have the last one here is Flesh Fantasy. So Flesh Fantasy is basically like a nude. It looks almost creamy on your lips. So here's what it looks like. There are all the shades there swatched, so you can tell. So it definitely gives your lips a lot of shine to them. So if you like those shiny lips, you're going to enjoy those lip products. I definitely recommend the Sephora Favorite ones. If you're more into the cream blushes, I would definitely recommend checking out the Natasha Denonas. They are very, very nice. The Pat McGrath, I think they're nice, but like I said, I would not purchase a full size in Pat McGrath just because I feel like her price is kind of high for what it is. It's basically just a lip gloss like anybody else sells. So I'm not so impressed that I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to purchase these in full size. I'm happy to get them in the little deluxe sizes because I think that works perfect for my collection. If you're someone who don't have a lot of like lip products or anything, you might want to purchase a full size. But even then, honestly, how often do we actually go through a full size lip product? It takes a while. So I like the small ones. I think they work just fine. So anyway, that is my Sephora haul update. That was everything. I have my little note in here telling me what this video was. So there I remembered as I put everything back in. So I knew what went where. I'm like tongue tied for some reason. So anyway, I'd love to know your guys' thoughts and opinions on the things that I tried out. And if you guys are liking the way that I'm doing these, that way there I come back on and tell you guys my final thoughts on them and whether or not I feel like I got my money's worth out of these products. And so technically I feel like I did get my money's worth because everything was really good. It was good. So everything was good. Some things were better. So that makes more sense, right? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.